Am I the only one that didn't know echidnas are basically real-life Pokemon? These spiky little creatures hide some wild secrets. Let's uncover them together. Echidnas, also called spiny anteaters, are one of only 2 mammals on Earth that lay eggs, the other being the platypus. That's right, they're monotremes, the rarest group of mammals out there. Echidna moms lay a single leathery egg and tuck it into a pouch, and after just 10 days, a tiny baby called a puggle hatches.